In this video, we're going to look at how to approve an absence request. So I am in as a user who already has an absence request to approve, and I can see that from this absence here. I would also have a notification, and there is also an option to just go into your menu, absences, approve, and any absences awaiting approval are in there. When you first come to the screen, you'll just see the header information displayed. To get more information, just click on the arrow on the left-hand side and we can see here what has been requested. So we know this is from the 22nd of September, and if there are any attachments that have been added to the absence, this is shown as a little thumbprint here, which you can hover over, or if required, you can click on it to see it enlarged. Click escape to come out of it. Once you're happy, just come along to the bottom and click on Approve All. And now we can see from our home page, as well as that screen there, we no longer have any absences for approval and the notification has been dismissed. And that's it. That's all that's required to approve the absence. The end user will now see that that absence has been approved and WAP will be updated.